In ancient times, two angels passed through a city in China. On the way, night fell, so they decided to stay there and knocked on the door of a rich man. The rich man was very miserly. He allowed them to stay the night, but instead of staying in his luxurious guest room, he put them in the basement, which was very cold, dark, and smelly. Although that place was not worthy of him, but he had to lie down on the cold and hard floor. The old angel was not sleeping. He turned around and looked at the wall in front of him. With a little effort and hard work, he managed to close the hole in the wall. When the eyes of the little angel opened, he was surprised to see this work of the elder angel and could not help but ask, "That evil mind? The person didn't care about us at all, and you repaired the broken wall too. The truth is not what it seems." The elder angel gave a short answer, then he left and walked forward. The next day they reached a village and planned to stay there at nightfall. They went to a poor farmer's house and requested him to give them a place to spend the night. The farmer and his wife were very good-natured, kind, and hospitable. He immediately vacated the best place in his house for them to sleep and served whatever was available in the house for food. On a comfortable bed, he slept very peacefully. In the morning when he opened his eyes and saw that the farmer's only cow was dead, the farmer and his wife were crying for their cow, which was their only asset, its milk. The little angel was very sad to see this. "Why did you allow all this to happen when you knew that this one cow was their total asset?" he asked the archangel. "Reality is not what it seems." The old man just said that and left there and went on his way. "Tell us why you did this." "The first person we stayed with was very rich, yet you helped him and built his broken wall, while this farmer was poor and had no support except a cow. He gave his all for us, and yet you let his cow die?" The little angel protested again on the way. "Reality is not what it seems. When we stayed at the rich man's house, I saw that there was a treasure buried in the basement wall, which was visible through the hole and could come out. Imagine if the rich man, if he had found that treasure, he would have become even worse. That is why I closed the mouth of this treasure. Then when we stayed at the poor farmer's house, I saw that the angel of death had come there, who took the life of the farmer's wife. I begged him to take the cow's life instead of the farmer's wife, because the farmer loves his wife very much and she helps him in everything. In this way, I saved the farmer from a bigger shock. It is a fact that often what we are seeing is not the same, even the sight is deceiving, whatever is happening to us is being fixed by Allah, but we do not understand the truth, and soon if we have a little patience at this point, we are to our advantage, because the truth will come out by itself.